What's up with y'all, man? I ain't gonna lie, we back with some heat. We back with some heat, man. I go practicing real quick, you hear me? Yeah, you already know what's going on, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Then we got my man. We about to get real active. My man came out with that jump. My man came out with that jump. My man, how real? Yeah, me. What's up, Nick? Yeah, me. We about to get right. We about to get right. Come on. I was practicing for an hour yesterday, and I kind of bust my ass. If y'all see this right here. If y'all see this right.
Bro, you seen that new mini bike that's coming out?
It's endless jumps coming out. This jump, I'm already knowing. Oh. Oh, shit. Bro. Not, bro.
You were running that bitch?
Bro.
The camera was on?
Holy. Bro.
That's what I did mine the other day, man.
Bro. I think I just fucked my throttle up.
No way.
Or it's too tight. I gotta. Are you dead ass?
That bitch broke?
It's stiff. I gotta like. Bro, ain't no fucking way. Side question, I had to fix the goddamn throttle. Cause I wanted to be a doofus. Hey bro, if y'all don't give me views for that, man, I better get views for that. I just embarrassed myself. Look, bro, I already cooked my gloves for.
From right now?
Yes, look.
Damn.
Nah, that wasn't. No. That was yesterday. That was yesterday when I told you I bust my ass. Right there, bro. Right there. This jump going on 2 first. All right. I ain't gonna lie, all right here. I'm trying. Oh shit! You straight. I know you good, bro.
Nah, I hate that. I was like,
yeah. Bro, you're fuck, why did I get bro? You should've bro. You're an eco. He's an eco with this joke.
torque, bro.
I know. Straight. Bro, you got the speaker in your pocket the whole time?
I've been using my chest.
Oh. Bro, are you serious?
Bro, I try to do it on the sports, bro.
Oh. It ain't going.
Damn, that go defender, bro.
Yeah, it's not going. I don't know what.
I just turn it off and back on it. It's like, it's this thing in the thing. I gotta
that probably detect something.
like, oh, you fell. So like when you lose it, it doesn't keep running and shit.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's good shit.
You gotta take out the part.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Bruh.
Yo, your shit loose. Alright. I see why you say you want
New brakes. You feel it, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this something I could practice on, my mother. This something I could practice on. Oh, he don't got his brake switch. Bro, he don't got his brake switch on. He don't got his brake switch on. Bro, you gotta disconnect your rear brake switch so you could brake while you up there. That's why you busting your ass. Cause look, if I'm holding the brake, see that? You gotta disconnect the wire. That's what. My man wasn't. Look, my man wasn't. See, look, I'm scared to drop this jump back, cause if I drop it back, I'm gonna bust my ass actually, cause like this jump, or it's gonna cut power for real. Oh yeah, bro, it's. Yeah, see, that almost just messed me up. Like, I tried to go while I was kind of like easing into it. Yeah, bro. Bro, literally, I think it's the other way around with that throttle acceleration stuff. We both just gotta learn out. Yo, that rear fender is done. Alright, y'all. Part 3. I'm about to really try. My man up there trying to figure out his brake. Unplug it? What? Hey, I get this drum. Hold on. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. Yeah, I'm learning it. I'm learning it. Damn, I hit the give us a tuck. Give us a tucked launch on sport. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that Joan, yeah. That Joan, that's my man. Oh. Oh. Okay, okay, there you go. Oh, I'm learning that brake. Oh, oh, I was just looking like a wild boy. Oh, I learned something, I ain't gonna lie. I learned something, I ain't gonna lie. They ain't gonna do that there.